Nothing unveiled the Phone 3a Lite in global market, which is likely to launch in November in India. The new Nothing Phone 3a Lite is a rehash of the CMF Phone 2 Pro that launched earlier this year. Phone 3a Lite gets the signature Nothing transparent glass back, and it features a single glyph light that alerts you to notifications. Nothing Phone 3a Lite comes in black and white colors. Phone 3a Lite brings a 6.77-inch AMOLED FHD plus 120Hz rated at 800 nits typical brightness and up to 3000 nits peak. The panel is protected by Panda Glass and integrates an optical fingerprint scanner. The handset's processor is the 4nm MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro 5G with 8GB of RAM and comes in 128GB and 256GB storage tiers. Phone 3a Lite boots Nothing OS 3.5 based on Android 15, and Nothing is pledging 3 major Android updates and 6 years of security updates. The Phone 3a Lite has a triple camera system. A 50MP primary camera, an 8MP ultrawide and 50MP telephoto camera, 16MP selfie camera. The battery measures 5000 mAh. It starts at $249/Euro 249/pound 249 for the 8/128GB. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.